vlog. I haven't vlogged in almost, I think, 2 months. Actually not sure at all how long it's been, but I'm here. I just showered. It is Thursday night, so tomorrow is Friday, which is my favorite day of the week, because I get to go to work and then I have a full weekend to go. I've been doing stuff here and there, like not really that much, but I will post some things here and there of like stuff that I've been doing. So it was my niece's birthday, so I know I have clips on that, so I'll post them here. Wow, do you like it?
Yeah! Oh my! Es que tenía tapada mi. Now you can't look. Good girl! Yay! No. Ahorita al último tú le haces, ¿ok?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julia. I also think I have clips of Zeus meeting his new cousin, Max. So my sister-in-law and her family, they got a dog, and he's a Labradoodle, and he's so cute, and Zeus absolutely loved him. And I have picture or video of that, so I'll put it here as well.
Oh!
Fine.
It's okay, Fluffy. Fluffy. She's barking.
Other than that, I've just been kind of working on the podcast still. That's been going really good. Also working on some content for like my Facebook, and I went back on Twitter. I haven't done anything YouTube, but this is why I'm updating here now. I do a lot of stuff on Instagram. Instagram is my favorite place to post. So if you guys ever wonder if I'm still doing stuff, follow me on Instagram. I will put my username right over here. I'll put in some other clips that I have from like the past weeks. I honestly don't know what I have because it's been so long. Zeus, this is your first cappuccino. Stay. Hey, stay. You like it? Another update, I am taking a marketing course because I'm looking into changing careers, going into marketing. So I want to test the waters with this program, get my certificate, and then if I like it, then I'm planning to get either a master's or another like actual certificate from UCLA. I already researched into it for marketing, and that's my plan for now. So yeah, if I have anything else, I'll come back and talk to you guys, but I'm gonna edit to the podcast right now. I'm still doing Question Crunch. We are almost at episode 50, so if you guys haven't listened to us, go ahead and do that because it's really fun. Honestly, every single guest that we've had is really, really good. So all right, I'm gonna let you guys go. podcast Friday. Look at my eyes, they look all messed up. So I'm edit the podcast. I already pretty much edited most of it. Just logging in. But now I have to set everything up so that it can go live tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing now. Tomorrow, let me set you down a little bit. Let me see. Let me set you right here. Okay, sorry if that makes you dizzy. So tomorrow, actually, I am going to the spa. I know. I haven't been to the spa in like 5 years. But I'm going to the spa this weekend, and I'm excited but also very nervous because I haven't been in any public place since I got COVID. Actually, like I've seen my family and stuff, but I haven't been like in a populated place other than work in a while. So I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm also very excited. I'm going to take my mask, of course, and everything looks pretty safe, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, I'm going to edit the podcast. I'm off tomorrow from work. Yippee you, yippee you, yippee, yippee, yippee you. Cholo. Cholo. Hola.
Hola.
Ya es que ya comí, apágalo. Rodrigo, no sería mejor.
Despierta, mira que a los pajarillos cantar, la luna ya se metió. Qué linda está la mañana en que vengo a saludarte. Venimos todos con gusto y placer. Todas las flores del bautismo cantaron su señores. La arena desciendo y a la luz del día nos dio levantarte mañana y aquella amanecida. Hoy por ser tus cumpleaños, oh, para ti soy libre. Te necesito.
Sopla. Quédate. Sopla la vela.